The second most auspicious Islamic festival of Eid al-Adha is around the corner, and Muslims across the globe are getting ready to celebrate it with family and friends. Also known as Bakr Eid, Eid al-Adha, Eid Qurban or Qurban Bayarmi, Muslims mark the major festival of Eid al-Adha in the month of Dhul Hijjah, the 12th month of the Islamic or lunar calendar. Jamiat Ulama-e-Hind, the oldest and largest socio-religious organization of Indian Muslims, announced that Eid al-Adha will be celebrated on June 29. Bangladesh, Pakistan, Japan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Canada and Singapore will also mark Bakr Eid on the same day as India. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia will celebrate the festival today. The festival of Eid al-Adha honors and commemorates Prophet Ibrahim's absolute dedication to Allah. Ibrahim or Prophet Ibrahim had a recurring dream of slaughtering his son Ismail to fulfill the wishes of God. Ibrahim told his beloved son about these dreams and explained how God wanted him to make the sacrifice. Ismail, a man of God himself, agreed with his father and asked him to execute Allah's wishes. However, Shaitan or the devil tried to tempt Ibrahim and deter him from attempting the sacrifice. But Ibrahim shunned it away by pelting it with stones. Allah saw Ibrahim's absolute devotion and sent Angel Gabriel, the archangel, bearing a sheep for the slaughter. Jibreel told Ibrahim that Allah was pleased with his faithfulness and sent this sheep to be slaughtered in place of his son. Since then, cattle sacrificing during the Eid al-Adha celebrations commemorates Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail's love for Allah. It also shows that one is willing to make the ultimate sacrifice of what they love dearly for the sake of Allah. Muslims also visit the mosque to offer Eid al-Adha namaz after the sun has completely risen and just before it enters the Zohr time, midday prayer time. They start the festival by offering morning prayers at the mosque and follow it by performing the ritual of sacrifice, which is similar to the practice of self-sacrifice, an act of offering gratitude to Allah. Additionally, Muslims also mark the festival by eating delicious food, giving alms to the poor, and getting together with family, relatives and loved ones to share joy and love. Friends and family also sit together to enjoy a feast, including dishes like mutton biryani, mutton korma, mutton keema, bhuna kaleji and more, and the desserts include sheer korma and kheer. Women also apply mehendi on their hands to add more beauty to the Eid al-Adha celebrations.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.